What's going on, everyone? This is Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2026 Cadillac VISTIQ Premium Luxury. This is a fully electric vehicle with a 102 kilowatt-hour battery with 615 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque with 305 miles of range. So I'm excited to drive this car, as I haven't driven any of the new, other than the Lyriq, I haven't driven any of the new electric Cadillacs, and this is a pretty expensive vehicle with MSRP being around roughly $95,000. So it better have a lot of luxurious features for that price point, of course, and this one does. You have a very beautiful interior with blue seats. I really like this blue interior. You also have speakers in the headrest. You have an Alcantara headliner with the panoramic sunroof. You also have a beautiful steering wheel with this silver Cadillac crest. You have a V mode in here, which is pretty interesting. You also have the pretty standard Cadillac screen, which is good. You also have ventilated seats, heated seats, massaging seats, and a heated steering wheel. So if you press that button, you'll turn on the massaging seats. There's another way too. Here it is. So you have ventilated function. You hit massage, you can choose which one you want. I'm going to try relief. Passenger has it as well. You can also adjust your seat adjustments over there as well. And you also have Super Cruise, head-up display. So really nice, very nice leather steering wheel, very thick. And I love this open pore wood trim. I love wood trim. And I believe the speaker system has like 22 speakers or something, which is really, really good. But the materials are fantastic. Cadillac has really stepped up its game over the last few years in terms of materials. It's like on par with the Germans. So it's pretty awesome to see that. But let's walk around this car. Oh yeah, and it's an AKG sound system. Forgot to mention that. I mean, all the Cadillacs have the premium Cadillacs have these really nice AKG sound systems. Like, I made a video on the 2026 Escalade V a few days ago, if you want to check that out. So it's cool, I'm making a video on the 2026 VISTIQ Premium Luxury. But let's walk around this car, and then we'll go for a drive. This also is capable of fast charging, of course. And the doors are like electronic doors. And the door handles come out in a inverse way, which is cool. You have nice wheels. Charging doors over there. It's an electronic charging. Nice daytime running lights. This looks like a bigger version of the Lyriq and a smaller version of the Escalade IQ, which is basically what it is. It's a good looking SUV for sure. Has a very luxurious vibe to it. It says 900E4 on the back. I wonder if that lights up. It looks like it does, because it looks like a light. I'm trying to figure out how to open this. If I can't, I'm just going to do it from the interior. There we go. With the third row up, you obviously don't have as much room, but you can lower the third row and have more cargo space. It is a pretty big SUV, of course. And you have beautiful captain's chairs back here. I love the headrest. This looks so beautiful. I love it. You can feel the leather quality. You also have a screen for the rear passengers with the heated and ventilated seats, and also for the third row. So that's quite impressive, actually. I like that. Very elegant SUV right here. I really like the electric Cadillac SUVs. They look good. And you also have wireless charging trays down there as well. And there's your camera mirror. But time to take this car out on the road. Let's put it in sport. Yeah, it's on sport. With 615 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, I'm interested to see the acceleration on this car. And your Super Cruise button is going to be over there. Just making sure everything looks good with the camera. Alright. Wow, that is quite fast and very smooth. Steering feels really nice as well. Yeah, it's quick and it's really quiet. That's impressive. For a vehicle of this size, it picks up speed effortlessly. And I like that artificial electric sound that this car has. Some people don't like the artificial noise that some EVs make, but I really like them. It makes it more unique. Because electric cars, all without the EV sound, they're all going to sound like nothing. So with having unique electric sound pumped into the speakers, it gives it something that's proprietary to that car, which is what I appreciate. I like those little details like that. You also have, you know, one pedal driving, which I'm not a fan of, so I turned it off. You can either control that using as a touchscreen, or you can use this rotary dial in the center to do the same thing. This is a really, really nice car to drive. I'm really liking it. It feels very, very comfortable. It feels very stately. It really does feel like a Cadillac in a good way. American luxury right here, guys. A bit of a pothole back there. The tires ate it up pretty decently. Even in the sport mode, it's still very comfortable. I need to get my hands on an Escalade IQ, see how that's like. Let's test out the backup camera before we conclude the video. Nice camera. Overall, this 2026 Cadillac VISTIQ Premium Luxury is a very nice SUV. Very comfortable to drive, looks nice, great acceleration, and beautiful interior. So if you're interested in a Cadillac electric vehicle, the VISTIQ would be a great choice. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new or pre-owned Cadillac vehicles.